You're going to see how to apply each close from Grant Cardone's book, The Closer Survival Guide, over 100 ways to ink the deal and close a sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through each one of these closes and I'm going to explain how to apply them towards jewelry sales training. So let's start with the first close, and that is the delivery close. It goes like this. When would you want to take delivery or have your new X installed? Right away or tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. Now, how can we apply this towards jewelry? Well, we can go like this. So when would you like to take this piece with you? Would you like to take it with you today, or would you like to take just the ring with you today and then have the bracelet sized for you so you can pick it up tomorrow? Then wait. So as easy as that. So you can word it in different ways though, kind of depending on what the situation is. It might be with rings. Rings quite commonly will need to be sized, so you could also word it in this way. When would you like to take your new ring with you? Would you like to come on back later on today because we can have it sized for you so you can pick it up by 4 o'clock? Or would you like to pick it up at any time tomorrow? We open from 9 o'clock and we'll be here until 5. What's better for you? So that's another way of you applying the delivery close. Now the delivery close, it's important to reference here that you're giving 2 options. You're not just giving 1 option. Now Grant's tip that he has down here on the bottom of the page is a delivery close assumes ownership and offers options to say yes. This is one of the most powerful and overlooked closes. Never ask what do you think or open-ended questions. Assign ownership by using the word your. So to reference this again, it would be, when would you like to pick up your new ring? Would you like to pick it up later on today? We close by 5 o'clock and we can have the ring ready for you by 4. Or would you like to pick it up anytime tomorrow? We're open from 9 until 5. So that is another way of you thinking about how you can apply it towards jewelry sales training. Now, make sure to watch the next video so you can learn how to apply the next close.